Morning. So we're going to review a little bit more for your test. So here we've got a rhombus A, B, C, D with vertices at A, -3, -2. B is at 1, -3. C is at 2, -7. And D is at -2, -6. Okay, so I want to do a reflection about the x-axis. So my x-axis is right here. Okay. Remember, we're going to be the same distance away, okay? So my A is still going to be 1, 2 units up. So there's my A. Okay, my B is still going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, my C is still going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my D is going to be 6 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's my C, and here's my D. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. So A prime is going to be at -3, +2, and B prime is going to be at 1, 3, and C prime is going to be at 2, 7, and D prime is going to be at -2, +6. Okay. Okay. All right, what about this one? So we've got a triangle with vertices x, -8, 3, y, -6, 5, and z, -5, -2. I want to have a reflection about the x equals -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So x being equal to a -4. So here's my line. Okay. And remember, I want to be the same distance away. So my y is going to be 2 units away here. Okay. My x is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 units away. 1, 2, 3, 4. And my z is going to be 1 unit. Okay. So this is your y prime, your x prime, and your z prime. Okay, so x is going to be at 0, 3. Your y prime is going to be at -2. And your z prime is going to be at 1, 2, 3, -3. 1, 2, -2. Okay, so now we're going to talk about translations. So translations are a shift in the graph. Okay, so a shift in the graph means that I'm going to, here I'm going to scoot down -2, and I'm going to scoot to the left -6. So from J here, I'm going to go down -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, back it count. Okay, sorry. I'm going to scoot to the left -2, and I'm going to scoot down 6. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there's my J prime. Okay, K, scoot over -2, 1, 2. So now you're going to be on the y-axis, and then you're going to go down -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, L over 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is your L prime and your K prime. Okay? So, this number means to the left, and this means down. Okay, so J is going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, so -4, -3. K is going to be at 0, -2, and L is going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, what about this one? Write a rule for the translation shown below. So here's my R, so here's my starting point, okay? And I want to get up here to that R prime. So what's happening? So I'm going to be moving to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to be adding 7 to my X, okay? And then what would be happening to your Y here? So your Y would be going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adding 5 to your Y. Okay? Okay, so now let's look at a rotation here. So triangle CDE with vertices at 2, 4, 6, 7, and E would be at 7, 3. I want to rotate 90 degrees. So we need to remember what 90 degrees means. 90 degrees means that my XY is going to change. That means my X now is going to be a -Y, and my Y is now going to be your X. Okay, so your C prime is going to be at -4, +2. Your D prime is going to be at -7, 6, and your E prime is going to be at -3, 7. So you're going to need to remember this. Okay? So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up 2. So now that is your C prime. -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's your D prime. E is going to be at 1, 2, 3, up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So here would be our rotation. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to talk about dilations here. So dilations mean where you're going to increase or decrease by a factor. So here I'm going to dilate it with a factor of K equals 2. So that means each one I'm going to multiply by 2. So -7 times 2, so that's going to be a -14. 1 times 2, so it's going to be a 2. -5 times 2, so it's going to be -10. 6 times 2, which is a 12. -1 times 2, which is a -2, and 2 times 2, which is a 4. So each one of those factors, each one of those vertices is going to increase by a factor of 2. Okay, so that means we're going to expand it. Remember, when K is greater than 1, it's a enlargement. If K is less than 1, then it's going to be a reduction. So -14 up to 1, 2. -10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And -2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So your A prime, your B prime, and your C prime. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, let's look here. So for this one, I want to figure out what the factor is. Okay, so let's compare. It doesn't matter which one we look at, but let's look at L here. So L is at 1, 2, 3, 4. So L is at -4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and L prime is going to be at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what happens between these two? Okay, what happens between these two? -4 reduces down to -2, 6 reduces down to 3. So it's going to be a fraction. So -4 divided by 2 would give you a -2, 6 divided by 2. So, oops, sorry. So the reduction here is going to be a 1/2. Okay, it's reducing, it's getting smaller. Okay, so those are the things, the topics that you will see on your test tomorrow. All right, y'all have a great day.